Come see Mama. Can you crawl to Mommy? Crawl to Mama. Come see me. Say, I'm 5.5 months old. I am 5.5 months old. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Whoops. What else, Tyler? Then what happened? Then what happened? Huh? Come on. Come see me. Come and see me. Yeah, are you in a room that you don't normally go in? Are you in a room you don't normally go in? Hi, Tyler. Hi, Tyler. Are you wearing your Winnie the Pooh outfit? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, did you fall down and go boom? Did you go down and go boom? Yeah. Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa. I'm 5.5 months. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Close up. Come on, you can make it over to me. Don't cry. Come on. Come on. We gotta do all these things on the camera so that Grandma and Grandpa can see. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Come on. Tyler. There you go. There you go. Yay! Yay! Come on, yay! Some mommy's shoes? Are those mommy's shoes? Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. Come on, little buddy. Come on, little buddy. I know. I know. Say, hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. It's me, Tyler. And I'm growing up so fast. I'm growing up so fast. Tyler, you don't want to put your mouth on that. A boop-a-doo-ba-doo. A boop-a-doo-ba-doo. Boop-boop-a-doo. Boop-a-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Tyler. 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 Tyler.